Mass timber's adaptability and aesthetic appeal are often called into question by skeptics. Misconceptions regarding the material's versatility and design flexibility persist, but the truth paints a much brighter picture. So let's go over some of these myths in this video. Starting off with myth number 1. A common myth is that the type of wood that's used in mass timber does not matter. In reality, different wood species bring varying material properties that can influence a structure's performance and design options. On top of this, choosing locally available wood species not only minimizes the environmental impacts from transportation, but also allows projects to be more sustainable and contextually relevant. Some believe that mass timber is difficult to work with, but modern manufacturing techniques such as computer-aided design and computer numerical control machining make working with mass timber incredibly easy and straightforward. These technologies allow for precise manufacturing, enabling prefabricated elements to arrive on-site ready to be assembled. Working with mass timber on-site is as simple as putting together a pre-designed kit of parts, significantly reducing complexity and labor requirements. There is also a misconception that mass timber is only suitable for residential projects. This is far from the truth, as mass timber is used in a wide range of applications, from office buildings and schools to cultural institutions and mixed-use developments. Its strength, sustainability and design flexibility make it a viable option for projects of all sizes and types, even projects such as this swimming pool. Another myth claims that mass timber is not suitable for all climates. Mass timber can be adapted to various climates through proper design and treatment methods. Protective finishes and detailing ensure that structures perform well in diverse environmental conditions, whether in humid, wet regions or arid, dry climates. Mass timber buildings are being constructed in Canada, Norway, Japan and anywhere in between. Finally, it is often said that all mass timber buildings look the same. This myth dismisses the immense design flexibility that mass timber offers. The material can accommodate a wide range of architectural styles, from sleek, modern designs to more traditional aesthetics. Its natural warmth and texture add to its visual appeal, while its structural versatility allows architects to experiment with innovative forms and layouts. Go take a look on the TimberTalk Patreon page, since we now have a new mind map for the myths and misconceptions surrounding mass timber. And don't forget to subscribe for more information on mass timber architecture. Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.